today's video, I am going to be very quickly unboxing the November BirchBox. Hi there guys and welcome. So as I've just stated, I'm going to be trying to do a very quick unboxing of the November BirchBox. I am behind on my videos. There's like 2 or 3 days left of the month and I've got some catching up to do majorly. So I think over the next few days there's going to be multiple videos on each day. But yeah, here it is inside. 1, 2. Okay, so we have 2 edit cards. So we'll look at them in a minute so we can get information on all the products, but there is a quick sneak peek for you. I'm trying to remember the 2 products that I chose to go in the box and I can't. But yeah, if you are interested in purchasing this box, the price did go up. It is now £17 per month. What do you think of the price increase? What do you think of the size products for the price increase? Comment down below and yeah, let's have a discussion about it. But yes, let's go through this box. So if you have not already hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I really would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And yeah, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really does help my channel out. But yeah, let's get to it. This doesn't have a name of an edit on here. It just says the November box is here. And looking at the edit card, there's only 3 products on the back and I have 6 products sitting in front of me. I've looked on their website and it doesn't really have the November box on there, so I can't look at the contents of the box on there. And I really don't know what are the 2 products that I've chosen. I can't remember. But yeah, so we're kind of winging it. So the first product we're going to go with is this. So this is by the brand Philip Kingsley. This is on the edit card and I think this is one of the ones I've chosen. But is it because it's on the edit card? I don't know. I just don't know. And this is the Elasticizer Therapies Egyptian, Jasmine and Mandarin hair masky thing. I've actually tried this mask out before, not this one, not this scent. It was the original one. I'll link it up top there, go and check it out. But it says here that it's a deep conditioning treatment. First discovered in ancient Egypt, aromatherapy harnesses the power of scent to balance the mind, body and soul. Inspired by holistic practice, our Egyptian jasmine, mandarin, elasticizer has been created with an uplifting fragrance to bring feelings of happiness and joy. Rich and deeply conditioning, our Elasticizer Therapy Pre-Shampoo Treatment delivers a supercharged boost of elasticity, moisture and strength of the hair. I can't wait to smell this. I am so big into my scents. I think with different products that you use on your skin and your hair, scent plays a big part in it for me towards the experience. But yeah, I love Philip Kingsley hair masks and treatments, so yeah. Oh, I hit myself on the face with it. Can't wait to try that one. Second product in the box we have is this. Was this the other one that I chose? I've honestly got no idea. So this is by the brand Naobay and it's a Detox Energizing Facial Mist Toner. I think I've had this before many moons ago. I think I enjoyed it. It just says here, Energizing Facial Mist Toner, a refreshing fruit juice and green tea that will bring your skin back to life. This wonderful mist is all you need upon waking to revitalize, prepare and balance skin after cleansing, and fix your makeup. Oh, you can fix your makeup with that too. Cool. Yeah, that sounds awesome. Recommended for skin lacking hydration and luminosity and juiciness. Yeah, that is me. Yeah, let's just give it a try, why not? Oh. Has a really nice subtle scent on it, very, very subtle, to the point where, has that got a scent or am I just imagining that? But very, very fine mist, feels lush on the skin when you spray it because it's such a fine mist, and already I look more hydrated. But yeah, cool. I'm gonna pop that on my beauty desk, and when I get ready in the mornings, I'm gonna use that. The third product in the box we've got is this. So this is by the brand Morning Street, and it's Green Daily Shampoo. Let's have a look. It's for all hair types. It's 40 mils, so it's like a deluxe mini type of thing. 94% naturally derived ingredients. Apparently it's vegan as well and made in France. Not much information on there, to be honest with you. But yeah, I mean, it's nice, but here's a spoiler for you. There's no conditioner, and I like my shampoos to come with a conditioner. I like sets. Really like sets. What I've started doing though, to try and get through the odd bits that I've got a lot of odd shampoos without matching conditioners. I've been using them whenever I'm using a hair mask. But yeah, I love a set. But yeah, yeah, we'll give it a go and see what it's like. The fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Kinder Beauty, and it's an eyeshadow cream. It says here the shade is Proud Pink. Let's break the seal on this and see what it swatches like. It's what it looks like. Looks like salmony pink. Okay, that feels kind of nice. Is there anything on there? Okay, yeah, that's really subtle. Really very subtle. That's actually really pretty. For when I just want a little bit of a natural day with a little bit of foundation, put a bit of that on just for a little tiny bit of sparkle on the eye and a bit of mascara. Very pretty. It's very close to my skin tone. I think that's why we're having difficulty seeing it on there. But look at the sheen. Okay, that's nice. I'll be interested to see how that dries down. Will it set? Because if I'm putting that on my eye, I don't want to blink and then have it creasing and all sorts. Fifth product we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand WonderKiss, and it's a gloss lip liner, a gloss one, in the shade Nude. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Oh, it's not retractable. I love retractable liners, whether it be eyeliner or lip liners. I'm a lazy girl, and whenever I have to get a sharpener out, that feels like too much like hard work. Right, but let's have a look. Oh, that's actually really pretty. That's like a salmony pinky kind of nude as well, so that goes really nice with the eyeshadow. Again, it's very light, but not too light. So I'm hoping when that's on my lips, I'm not going to get like concealer lips. So yeah, if I'm having a particularly extra natural day, that is one to go for. Feels nice and creamy. And as you can see there, it's got a sheen on it. So yeah, it is glossy. Nice. And final product in the box is this. So this is by BirchBox, and it is their little mirror that they do. When BirchBox was going back in the day, we all got one of these in the boxes at one point, I think. And yeah, it is just a mirror. You peel that off, if I can peel it. So yeah, you can see the mirror. I'm going to leave that on though. Leave that on. I might pop that in a giveaway box because I've already got one and I don't really want another one. But yeah. What do you think about having that in the box? Right guys, this is the November BirchBox. So for £17 per month, do you think that is worth £17? Personally, it's not a bad box. It's not a great box by any means, but it's not bad. The products in it I'm definitely going to get use out of, which is the benefit of all these boxes. If you can get products that you're actually going to use, then that means you're kind of getting your money's worth. So yeah, the elasticizer hair treatment, awesome. Super happy with that. Yeah, that spritz, what is it, facial mist toner, really very nice. I'm really liking the eyeshadow. That feels nice, and it's still glossy. That's the lip liner. And yeah, we've got the shampoo there, which I kind of, it's a shampoo without the conditioner. And then yeah, we've got that little mirror thing in there too. So it's not bad. Although now I'm sitting here looking at it, I'm having second thoughts again. 1 minute I like it, 1 minute I don't. You put your thoughts down below and let me know your thoughts, because yeah, 1 minute I'm thinking yeah, it's all right, and then the next minute I'm thinking, really, is that all we've got? I'm stuck. I'm really stuck. Help. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.